My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Jaguar I-Pace. This vehicle has done just under 45,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen we can access our eco data, Apple and Android CarPlay, My EV, web browser and in-control apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we can access our climate control. This includes smart climate to help improve the vehicle's range. Just below we have our different driving modes. We're also able to adjust the vehicle suspension. As we go into the back, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.